Hello everyone, just received these mirrors today. Now I did get them sent to me in order to do this review. So let's just go ahead and look at them and see how they work. Okay, first off, there are 50 of these mirrors and they should be 3 by 3. Let's measure them and check that out. Yep, 3 by 3. So not too big, not too small, but perfect for little projects or crafts. Now, on each one, you do have to take the back off to have them stick, which they stick well. And then there's also this film on top where you take it off so you can really see the mirror part. So do keep that in mind when you use these. You have to peel both sides off. So now what could we use these for? One would be centerpieces. I got a small candle. I'm going to light that up and just show you that, it could be a centerpiece for a party or a celebration. Check that out. Just a cute little idea to have at the center of a table or at a placemat. And another example would be this wall mirror here. And you can put that any way you want. You can do more than 3. You could do 5, 6. You get a package of 50, so you could do a really big mirror. So it's really just where you want to place them and how you want to use them. So I just wanted to show you what you could do with these, and I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.